Thursday morning. There's some pretty wonderful singing going on. I tried to rush out to capture it, but it is already over. It is another gray end of September day. I'm standing outside of the construction site that I've slowly watched get pulled down. You can see now, I will show you. It's just a hole in the ground now. So far down to bedrock, I suppose, that the water actually pools and doesn't go anywhere. So this building was really slow to get torn down, and then suddenly it was gone. Even the trees that are around it have been cut down as well. I guess to make way for the new building that's going to be built. But I don't know why they had to cut down the trees as well. They could have left them, and all they'll do is they'll basically plant a whole bunch of new small ones that fit a little bit more into the, architectural vision of what the building is supposed to look like. It's a bit of an annoyance. I kind of like watching these beautiful trees get built. Beautiful trees live in harmony around the new buildings. So one of the suppliers that we use that make some of the plastic hooks for the products that we sell, the IV poles and stuff like that, they're having their 25th anniversary shindig today in Stittsville. So I'm driving with my business partner out there. In about 20 minutes we'll be leaving, and probably stop by our storage locker first, which is also our office, just to kind of have a quick look at some inventory. But yeah, I should be able to shoot, hopefully, a little bit of a montage as to what L&D Tool Die is all about. They're a pretty fascinating place. They get some pretty cool stuff, and they just had a new clean room built. So hopefully that will be part of the show and tell of today. Hopefully as well I'll be able to fill up on some tasty treats, because I haven't eaten yet. I'm talking a mile a minute, even though I have not had any coffee. I'm probably going to try and grab myself a quick protein shake before I leave. So I'm going to try making it with a green tea, cold green tea base instead of a water base, just to see how it tastes for something different. Arrived at LD, ready for the barbecue. Don't know how much filming I'm going to get done here, but let's see what I can. It's interesting, live band, exciting! Exciting! Really looking forward to some food. I am starved. Fasteners for days at Ottawa Fastenal. We're here to pick up some set screws for the end caps of the IV poles. If you ever need screws or bolts, this is the place to come. Home sweet home. Canadian Tire, where Canadians get their tires. And a bunch of other stuff. Canadian Tire. Bienvenue chez Canadian Tire. Halloween is a crazy time of year, and I haven't dressed up in a really long time. But I've thought about it. Usually just hand out candy at my folks' place. Maybe I'll do that again this year. This looks pretty cool. A gaming chair, because everyone needs a wee chair. Look at the wee chair. That thing had built-in stereo headphone jack. Now I want one of those with a built-in, I don't know, microphone, so I don't have to wear a headset and I can talk to people. That's what I want. That's what I'll look for next, but I don't know if they actually sell such a thing. Who knows? Back home. Just got dropped off by Mark. Pretty tired actually. Even though I got pretty good sleep last night. Still pretty exhausted, just very mentally stimulated when you're doing a lot of work of that sort. Just want to go up and have a nice rest. It's good to feel like you've done a lot of work during the day.